Yesterday, the Federal Reserve dropped the federal funds rate by 25 basis points. Guys, this should have been a major bullish move, especially with the end of quantitative tightening that they announced. Coin, along with the rest of the crypto market, literally every single coin we follow, 40 coins in the red today. Whales are buying, but market momentum does show a continued move to the downside is possible. Let's talk about what's going on right now, when we could be looking for an entry, and how to manage your risk in case the price continues plummeting. I'm going to tell you right now, we are not quite switching bearish yet. We still have a little bit of ways to do that. But in today's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout, feel free to ask us any questions you may have about that. The Inner Circle is where we are providing our members once a month with live coaching and Q&A with the founder of Trade Confident, Travis Martin himself. Now, our future forecast videos posted twice a week, with the last one talking about full risk management plans, along with why Bitcoin could be about to fall off a cliff, is available to watch at any time. If you're not a member yet and you'd like to watch the future forecast videos or join us for today's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout, you can sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. All right, let's get started. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, volume bubbles, price versus wall money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Fundamentals in the market should say that we should have seen a slight move up. Even if it's not a crazy move up, these two candles, at least one of them should have been green. But if we head to the weekly time frame, we're going to see that whales are still very actively selling out of the market. The higher the time frame, the more strength it has against lower time frames, and that's why 1 week time frames are showing bearish. This is why we're seeing money move out of the market when on the daily time frame, whales are technically buying in. I'm going to let you know there is not enough buying pressure, at least at the time of recording, in order to keep this price afloat. Even if whale money is moving into the market, it is not a significant amount of volume, and volume is the real decision maker when it comes to flipping the price. Trades in favor is a 50-50 chance pretty much. It could go either direction, so we need to rely heavily on whale money flow, the price versus whale money flow to be exact, and the volume bubbles indicator. If we can see whale money moving into the market and we begin seeing a green volume bubble, you're going to see each of these volume bubbles tends to lead to major moves up. This is where we're looking more in good shape, and this is where I'd be looking to make a potential entry. That would be 2 out of the 4 signals that we're looking for in order to find an entry, or a strong buy signal, or trades in favor in the long trade zone to get 3 out of 4 signals, forming a bullish trifecta. We're in much better shape. If we get 4 out of 4, I'm talking trades in favor low. We want to see price versus wall money flow low and moving up. Already got this one, so check. If we get volume bubbles and a buyer strong buy signal, 4 out of 4 signals forms the bullish quadfecta. And guys, we are in good shape if this happens. It's rare, but we got a volume bubble. We got a buy signal, price versus wall money flow low, trades in favor low. And from candle close on the buy signal to the next top was an easy 16%. Now, this isn't going to just work for Bitcoin. Those of you that have been trading for a while know that altcoins tend to 2 to 3 times the movements of Bitcoin. So that could be anywhere between 32 and 48% depending on the altcoin. It is crazy what our traders have been able to accomplish with these indicators. Now, I'm going to let you know an entry at this point or any point where we get the bullish trifecta is not 100% accurate. No indicator combination is, and that's why we use strong risk management in our trades. You can set up our risk management strategy within the TC top and bottom finder, and I'm not going to go over that because the video would run a little bit long. But rest assured, as we get closer, I'll give you a basic masterclass on our risk management strategies. If you want to go super in depth, though, you're going to want to watch the future forecast that we posted earlier this week. It is going to be crucial for your trades, especially those of you that are still FOMOing into the market, despite the fact that Bitcoin could be on the edge of a bear market. Nothing's confirmed yet. We're still overall bullish. Just want to confirm that. But if you want to get these indicators, if you want to follow us in our membership, this trader earned $7,000 with their first scalp with us, $15,700 in a week. This trader met their goal of becoming debt-free, $1,000 to $5,000 every single day, and it just keeps going. You can get access to all this and more with a membership. All you have to do is head down into the description. The very first link is what you're looking for. Click that. It's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. You now have access to the future forecast, trade setups, and inner circle. On top of that, members get massive discounts on our indicators, $150 off with this coupon code on the Pro Indicator Pack available to members. Purchase of the Pro Indicator Pack gets you $400 off the TC Top and Bottom Finder. Purchase of either of these indicator packs gets you 60% off the volume bubbles if you shoot us an email at betradeconfident@gmail.com. $4,300 in a week, $9,000 with their account up over 39%, $2,100 in 3 days. Guys, it is endless what our traders have been able to accomplish. With that in mind, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for that brand new future forecast out earlier this week and today's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Don't miss out.